Alright guys, welcome to my video. So today we're doing the front catalytic converter for a 2010 Toyota Highlander. I thought it was going to be a little bit more difficult than it is, and it's not that difficult because I actually took this off before. The gasket on this catalytic converter, when I bought it, had deteriorated, and I changed it up. But it's pretty simple. There were obviously you gotta take the usual off. There's an air duct here, and you gotta take the coolant reservoir off. But once you get that off, there's two heat shields. All right, this car is a 2010. It's got 280,000 miles on it. Gotta tell you, the rest, you know, the rest is gonna be an issue, obviously. So anything that's kind of simple, you know, I had an issue with this bolt right here. I had a set of extractors, bolt extractors that came in handy, came in really handy on this. It's flowing pretty good right now as far as me taking all these bolts off, because I originally had put some PB Blast on these threads, and they're coming off pretty easily. What I got is a little bit of an extension and a socket, a long socket on here. Obviously you're gonna need your tools for, you know, a job like this. You got your tools. It comes off pretty easy. I took the shroud off from the bottom shroud got taken off. The two bolts on the bottom, that connects to the muffler pipe, I had taken that off before. I took that off before, and because I had to either tighten it or figure out whether there was a gasket on it. I don't think there was a gasket on there, but this new one came with a gasket, and I took those off. Those came off relatively easy. All the bolts came off relatively easy. Lucky for me, because I worked on this before. Now, if this is like your first time going into it without having taken any of these bolts off, obviously it's going to be a hassle. But the way it's going pretty good. I'm having a pretty good day so far. Basically, I think once I took these last two bolts off, I should be able to either take it, change it up from the top or the bottom. There seems to be a lot of space. So I should probably be able to take it off from the bottom or the top and then put the new one in.